we're starting with the head.
We are going to start with the head. So today we're going to draw a cheetah. Super easy cheetah. Stop. Wait for me.
I'm not going to do it
All right.
for you.
So first we're going to draw a circle. And we're going to give him triangle ears.
Big ears.
We're going to do another triangle inside of them.
That's very small.
We're going to give him triangle nose with the flat line of the nose on the top. So we're going to go flat across. And we're going to go down and down. And we're going to give him 2 hooks for the mouth. One direction, one the other direction. So backwards J, right J.
What about the eyes?
The eyes we're going to do a little different this time. We're going to make cat eyes. So we're going to do a rainbow shape and a rainbow shape. And we're going to do a rainbow shape on the bottom the other way. So it's 2 pointy sides. We're going to do rainbow shape, rainbow shape. And we're actually going to make kind of 2 sideways rainbow shapes inside. So watch, we're going to do one way and then the other. And then one way and the other. You might need to practice those because those are a little bit different eyes than we've been making, but that's okay. And then we're gonna draw his body or her body, or do you wanna do whiskers first?
Whiskers.
All right, so whiskers we're gonna just do out past the head. 3 usually works. All right.
Mine are baby.
Okay.
We're
gonna do our body. We're gonna do under the eye, right on the edge of our circle. We're gonna go out and down. We're gonna go under the eye. We're gonna go out and down. And we are gonna do 2 arms that start in the middle of the chest. We're gonna do 4 straight lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna just do a little curvy circle shape at the bottom.
I'm doing a great job.
You are doing a great job. And we're gonna do 3 straight lines inside of those. And we're just gonna
close this?
Yeah, we're gonna go just straight across. We're gonna be simple this time. Like that.
Are we gonna do another?
We are, yep, all the way across. So yeah, skip where the arms are. Let's go straight and then keep going, connect, perfect. And then we are gonna do his hind legs, which are the back legs. And we're just gonna make a circle and a little bump. So like, it almost looks like half of a heart. And a little bump. And then we'll do the same thing with the other direction on the other side. Kind of the other half of the heart. Good. Then we're just gonna put some little, you know how we did straight lines in the front paws?
Mine is kind of like...
You're just making a surprise face. All right, so watch, we're gonna do some straight lines in those little bumps for the claws. And then we're gonna draw a line in here to show where his knee is. We're just gonna go straight up, but not all the way to the top. We're just gonna go like halfway up. We're gonna go towards the edge of the paper, towards the edge of the paper. Good. And we're just giving him a tail. You can start wherever. I'm just gonna do 2 wavy lines right next to each other. Kind of keep them close to each other and then just connect them. And then to make it look like a cheetah, what do we need to add? Spots. So we're just gonna go around and add a bunch of
spots.
Wiggly, squiggly spots. You can have some under his or hers.
Mine's a her.
Here's a her.
Is yours a boy?
I don't know. Does it matter?
No.
No. Do as many spots as you want. Some on the tail. Ooh, Jilly, that looks good. I can't wait to color all these little spots in.
I don't know. I'm gonna color mine later.
Yeah. All right.
Actually, tomorrow.
And we're just gonna add a little horizon line for our cheetah to sit at. The end.